Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can get best Canva print discount promo codes in 2025 in a full guide. So first of all, you need to open a new browser tab and search for Canva print discount promo codes. And after searching, you can see there are multiple web links here. You just have to open two or three web links from the upper section, and if we check on the coupon follow website, we can see 20% off, like with Canva promo code, like get 20% off any order, and 15% like Canva discount code, say 15% on any purchase, and gain 10% off on your purchase. You just have to simply click on select promo code from here, and you just have to click on copy and paste it to the Canva purchasing dashboard, where you were purchasing a Canva subscription. And you can also click on redeem at Canva. It will redirect you to the Canva uh, purchasing page or the dashboard, and you can redeem the desired discount like 20%, 15%, 10%. And you just have to check, there is a take 50% of your order. You just have to check as many as possible which offer is available for you or works with you. No one can assure you, so you have to check it for yourself. And if we go to the other websites, like as you can see that Canva coupon code today, as you can see there is 55% off instantly with this Canva coupon. You just have to simply click on the view coupon, and you just have to simply copy it and paste it to the purchasing dashboard of Canva. And if we go to the simply codes, we can see there are 50% off, free gift. And if we click on show more, it's 50% off login code, select items, Canva account holders at Canva without code or with code. So you just have to simply click on here to view the code, and the rest is same as previous methods. You just have to simply copy it and paste it to the Canva purchasing dashboard, or you just can click shop at Canva and it will redirect you to the Canva purchasing page, and you can just redeem it through that. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.